Hey guys, it's Hannah. Today we're going to be heading inside IKEA and checking out what's new for their holiday and winter season. I love IKEA all year round for their very minimalistic modern looks, but the winter and holiday season is really special at IKEA. They've got so many different colors and textures that you can bring into your home that will last you not just for the holidays, but transition all the way through winter and into the spring.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm a mom of 3 kids who taught herself how to DIY, and I'm here to show you how to make your house beautiful and function great for your family. I love browsing at IKEA all year round, but Christmas is one of my favorite times, so let's head inside. As soon as I stepped inside the door, I saw this cute little vignette. I love how they're just using their traditional pieces and adding these little pops of colors, so you don't need to spend a lot of money to bring that Christmas feel in. IKEA does a great job of giving us inspiration of how to style their decor into your existing furniture. So, just walking in, you can see how they've got these cookie boxes put up on the coffee table. They've got ornaments on shelving, sacks of presents. So this is great inspiration for things you can integrate into your own home. Let's head up to the showroom and see how IKEA has displayed all their Christmas decor. As I walked upstairs, the first thing I saw was this beautiful kitchen setup. I love how they have all these little pops of color that just remind you of Christmas. So a lot of the Christmas decor at IKEA is bright red, but I think it looks really nice with a natural and muted tone kitchen. So with the wood and the white, it really makes it feel really festive. I love how they have these hanging stars over the table. They brought in red dishes, so it doesn't always have to be decor, but it can be functional too. And I especially love this little cart. It's like a little Christmas gift wrap station. So if you're wrapping a lot of gifts, it's great to have everything in one spot because you're always scrambling trying to find everything. Next, I saw the little IKEA apartment, and I love this. When we first moved into our first condo, I shopped so many ideas from IKEA. So here they've just got a couple of simple trees on a table, a little runner across the table, and I think that's really sweet, right? It's not huge impacts, especially if you're in a smaller space. You can use small touches like this to really bring out the Christmas spirit. And of course, I love all their kitchens, and they've just added a small pop with the little towel there. Layering your dining table for the holidays is one of the best ways that you can really bring that coziness without a ton of color. So if you're into more natural tones, think about having a nice woven placemat with the offset dishes. And if you love hosting, grab one of these cute little aprons because that's going to bring a whole nother level to your Christmas cheer. If you have a lot of guests throughout the holidays, I love this green bedroom. It's kind of festive, but at the same time, it's gonna last you throughout the entire year as well. I love that bedspread too. This tone-on-tone with the green drapes, green bed, green lamp is really trending right now. When we make our way into the bathroom, just add a little green bath mat, green towels. You don't need to go overboard. So I just love how they've just integrated all these small elements into the bathroom. I love this little Christmas tree setup they've got here. So imagine sitting with your kids on the rocking chair and just enjoying a cozy fireplace and the Christmas tree too. If you live in a warmer space like California or Florida, you might also be decorating your outdoor area. I'm so jealous of that because here in Canada, it's already freezing. These lanterns could also be great outside on your front porch. If you're going to be hosting a lot, you want to have that kind of inviting feel on your front porch. And throw out a couple of these faux trees with these cute little garlands, and you've got the perfect outdoor setup for your front entrance or your outdoor space. After I saw all IKEA Christmas vignettes, I headed to the couch area because I want to see some of their new finds. I find that a couch is such a staple in a space, and maybe you need to update yours before the holidays. So they have some newer finds, and a lot of their newer couches have texture to them. So they're corduroy, or they're like a really nice woven thick material. I've had a couch from IKEA for about 10 years, and it's really held up. It's super durable, especially if you have kids. This is the exact couch I have, and it is so functional. So if you're gonna have guests during the holidays and you're in a small space, you can just pull this out to convert it into a sleeper bed. A lot of times during the holidays, you have extra guests that you wouldn't normally have, and instead of having them sit on folding chairs, I love the idea of adding these cute little chairs that are comfortable and modern, so stylish. If you have a corner in your entrance just empty, think about adding a little mini tree. Aren't these cute? IKEA's got such a great collection of ornaments. I saw that they really stuck to a few couple of core colors like greens, reds, and gold. And I loved all the interesting shapes they have. They didn't just have spheres, but they had kind of cone shapes. They have Santa Clauses, they have advent calendars, so many options, especially if you have a young family. It just is so fun. Another way to make your Christmas tree look more put together is to actually add similar types of gift wrap. So, keep it within the same color scheme, and that helps to bring the tree together too. And with the gift wrap, I feel like they have something for everything, whether your style is more eclectic or fun or neutral. They've got so many different styles to choose from. Scent is such an important aspect of the holidays. They've got these cute little candles and they're only $2.99. They are such a good deal compared to getting them at a home decor store. And if you love whimsical touches, they've got some of that too. Grab one of these faux poinsettias as a hostess gift for the holidays. They look so real. If you're not huge on decor, just swapping in a few pillows makes a huge impact. As I close off, I just want to wish you a really happy holidays with your family and your loved ones. I know it's such a special time to bring those memories into the home, so I hope you remember that it's not just about the decor, but about the memories that you make.
I hope you had fun shopping with me today. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe, and tell me what was your favorite thing that you saw today. For me, it would definitely be the ornaments because they've just got those really interesting shapes. And I'll see you next time. Keep DIYing until then.